we'll guide you through how to upload photos in Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Files option. This will take you to your main file directory. Now, to upload your photos, locate the blue Upload button at the top of the page. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, choose Files if you're uploading individual photos, or Folder if you want to upload an entire album. For this example, let's choose Files. This will open a File Explorer window on your computer. Navigate to where your photos are stored, select the ones you want to upload by holding down the Control key on your keyboard and clicking on each photo. Once you've selected all the photos you want to upload, click Open or Choose at the bottom of your File Explorer. Dropbox will start uploading your photos immediately. You can monitor the progress in the taskbar at the bottom of the Dropbox page. Once the upload is complete, your photos will appear in your file directory. If you need to organize them further, you can create a new folder by clicking on New Folder in the main directory and dragging your photos into it. This way, you keep your Dropbox neat and easy to navigate. And there you have it. Your photos are now safely stored in Dropbox and accessible from anywhere. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.